Warm round of applause for Lead Stars Duet Trio Contemporary Category Age 11, Act number 94, Watch Over Me.
Darkness, my friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp, to my collar, to the cold and damp, where my eyes were stared by the flash of a neon light, split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. People bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was for me, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered